How to delete all conversations in Google Chat. So the way that you would delete a conversation is by clicking on the conversation you want to delete and clicking on the username of the person who you want to delete the conversation with and press delete conversation and delete. Now you have to keep in mind that this conversation is only deleted for yourself and not for the other person. You cannot delete conversations from the other person. And if you want to delete every single conversation, you can just do this by clicking on each and every conversation and deleting them. The same works for spaces. The way that you would do this is by clicking on the three dots and clicking leave, or clicking on the space name right here and saying delete. Now, when you do this, it will delete the contents from the space for everyone, if you created the space, of course. And there you go. That's how to delete conversations in Google Chat. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.